This one is very interesting because we have 3 different words that mean the same, but they're used in different countries. And once again, most Spanish speakers from different Latin American countries and Spain know about these words, okay? But some countries use them more than others. For example, well, let me just tell you the 3 words. Che, che, che. Probably you know where this word is used, where this word is mainly used. Che, che, che. So it's a very easy pronunciation. Che. The next one is tío, tío, tío. Okay, and güey, güey. So that's the 3rd one here. Güey. Okay? Güey. Che, tío, güey. Okay? And all of them mean dude or buddy. Okay? So you can use this with your buddies, with other dudes, your dudes. Usually these words are used among, men, but it can be used also among women, between women. A guy can say way to a girl if you have that kind of relationship. It's not like disrespectful to or impolite to call someone way, but you need to be friends with this person if you want to call this person way. Okay? Tío, it's similar. Che is also similar. Che, tío, güey. Che, the first one, is used in Argentina. So a lot of people say che, hey, che, okay? This one here in the middle, you probably know this one. This one is used in Spain. Tío. That's masculine. Tía, feminine. But yeah, tío is very commonly used. Güey is masculine and feminine. So you can use it in those situations. If you're talking to a female friend or a male friend. But yeah, they mean dude or buddy. For example, che, ¿qué querés que haga? Che, ¿qué querés que haga? Okay, so this, you probably, if you know some Spanish, you probably are wondering, what does that mean, quieres? It sounds like a different Spanish word, quieres. But remember that in Argentina, they use voceo, okay? And el voceo, you conjugate differently verbs, or you conjugate verbs differently. Specifically for vos, for the personal pronoun vos. Che, ¿qué quieres que haga? ¿Qué quieres que haga? Okay? And this means dude, che, dude, what do you want me to do? Okay? So, yeah. If we were in Spain, we could say, instead of che, tío, ¿qué quieres que haga? ¿Qué quieres que haga? Tío, ¿qué quieres que haga? Dude, what do you want me to do? So it's the same thing. But in Spain, we don't have voceo, el voceo. El voceo is used in different Latin American countries and, of course, in Argentina. Now, if we were in Mexico, for example, I could say, I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, güey, ¿qué quieres que haga? Güey, ¿qué quieres que haga? And the same thing. Dude, what do you want me to do? Okay. So the first one, che, is mainly used in Argentina. The second one, tío, in Spain. Güey, in Mexico. Okay. And the three of them, the three words, mean dude or body. Excellent.